Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add your social media to your Roblox account. Okay, here I have opened my Roblox application on my computer, and first of all, we can go to the more option here and select the settings, and then you're going to go to your account information, and hold on guys, it's still loading. Okay, and here you can scroll down and you will be able to add your social networks here, such as Facebook, X or Twitter, YouTube, Twitch or Golden. You just need to add to the column. Okay, and here you can also set your social networks visibility. You can choose everyone, friends, follower, and people you follow, or friends and people you follow, friends only, or no one. Okay, you can choose one of them, and once you're done, you can click on save to save the changes. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add your social media to your Roblox account. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!